Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would say thank you for your coming in my presentation today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Fatia Salsabila. You can call me Riris. I'm from Technical Medical Laboratory Major. The theme of my presentation today is diabetes mellitus. What is diabetes mellitus? Diabetes mellitus is a group of metabolic disease characterized by high blood sugar levels or glucose that result from defect in insulin secretion or action or both. What causes diabetes mellitus? Insufficient production of insulin, either absolutely or relative to the body's needs, or the inability of cells to use insulin properly and efficiently leads to hyperglycemia and diabetes. This is the primary problem in type 2 diabetes. The absolute lack of insulin, usually secondary to a destructive process affecting the insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas, is the main disorder in type 1 diabetes. Classification of diabetes mellitus. Number 1 is diabetes mellitus type 1 or insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus. In type 1 diabetes, the pancreas is incapable of making insulin. Abnormal antibodies have been found in the majority of patients with type 1 diabetes. The patient with type 1 diabetes must rely insulin medication for survival. Number 2 is diabetes mellitus type 2 or non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. In type 2 diabetes, patients can still produce insulin, but do so relatively inadequately for their body's needs, particularly in the face of insulin resistance. A major feature of type 2 diabetes is a lack of sensitivity to insulin by the cells of the body, particularly fat and muscle cells. Symptoms of diabetes mellitus. Number 1. Dehydration. Number 2. Weight loss. Number 3. Nausea and vomiting. Number 4. Fatigue. Number 5. Infection of the bladder, skin, and vaginal areas. Number 6. Lethargy and coma. How can we diagnose of diabetes mellitus? Number 1. Normal fasting plasma glucose levels are less than 100 mg per deciliters. Number 2. Fasting plasma glucose level are more than 126 mg per deciliters. And number 3. A random blood glucose test can also be used to diagnose diabetes. A blood glucose level of 200 mg per deciliters. What are the complications of diabetes mellitus? A. Damage or retinopathy. Heart and blood vessel disease. Kidney damage or nephropathy. Nephro damage or neuropathy. And feet damage. Based on the diagram, it can be concluded that in 2021, the country with the highest diabetes mellitus rate will be Tiongkok or China. And Indonesia is in the number 5 position with a percentage of 5%. In 2015, the number of diabetes mellitus worldwide reached 415 million people. In 2017, there was an increase of 10 million people. In 2019, that number crossed 463 million people. And in 2021, there will be a drastic increase to 573 million people. From the diagram, every year number of diabetes mellitus in the world always increases. How can we treat the diabetic people? Number 1. Maintaining a healthy weight. Number 2. Eating healthy food. Number 3. Exercising regularly. Number 4. No smoking. Number 5. Anti-hyperglycemic drug. Number 6. Taking insulin. And number 7, monitoring blood sugar. The last, the important treatment for diabetes mellitus improve the lifestyle. Diabetes mellitus is a disease that is incurable, but diabetes mellitus can be controlled to avoid more severe. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.